Listening 1. Listen, point, and repeat.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Listening 2. Listen and say the chant.
January, February, March. January, February, March. April, May, June. April, May, June. July, August, September. July, August, September. October, November, December. October, November, December.
Listening 3. Listen and circle. 1,
When's your birthday, Emma? It's in March.
2,
When's your birthday, Hector? It's in October.
3,
When's your birthday, Nina? It's in July.
4,
When's your birthday, Omar? It's in August.
Listening 4. Listen and follow.
What's the date today? It's March 15th. It's my birthday. Happy birthday, Emma.
Listening 5. Listen, point, and repeat.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st,